Welcome to DoubleTree Orlando at SeaWorld. Featuring our recent $35 million makeover, the new DoubleTree by Hilton Orlando at SeaWorld is now an official on-site SeaWorld partner hotel. We are conveniently located next to SeaWorld and its water park Aquatica, and we're also just minutes away from Universal Orlando Resort, Walt Disney World Resort theme parks, and the Orange County Convention Center. Recently transformed to create a warm and tranquil travel oasis, we've redefined the meeting and vacation experience. We have added new floral arrangements to help accentuate the Floridian tropics. Our ponds have been revitalized to create a natural and aesthetic environment. Our added stone walkways have been designed to help our guests navigate around the property with ease, enhancing the experience of our new landscape. Along with our comfortable, newly renovated, well-appointed guest rooms, we also feature a wealth of on-site amenities. These are designed for our guests' enjoyment and convenience while experiencing all that Orlando has to offer. Our recent renovations were designed to envelope guests in a luxurious tropical paradise. We have enhanced our lush tropical landscaping, created brick-lined pool decks and walkways, all to enhance your visit. We have updated our entrances to showcase the DoubleTree flagship, welcoming our guests to their Orlando sanctuary. With our recently renovated guest rooms and meeting facilities, a new restaurant, and a superior location with complimentary transportation to the major theme parks, we invite you to experience your next meeting, social gathering, or fun-filled family Orlando vacation at the DoubleTree by Hilton Orlando at SeaWorld. DoubleTree Orlando. Come stay with us.